What's up guys, Colin Matthew here, and in today's video we're going to be going over how to get approved for Navy Federal business credit cards. If you're new to the channel, my name is Colin Matthew. I'm a business credit coach who's personally obtained over $300,000 in business credit approvals, and I've helped over 650 entrepreneurs acquire $50,000 or more in business credit and funding. If you want to be personally mentored or coached throughout that process, click the link in the description below. In this video, we're going to be going over how I was approved for a $25,000 Navy Federal Go Biz Rewards card. We're also going to be covering who's eligible to get approved for Navy Federal business credit cards, what is the application process like, what bureau do they check, how you can get cash off the cards to liquidate and to be used for any investments or opportunities you want to take advantage of. So let's hop into it. So first things first, in order to get a Navy Federal business credit card, you must have a Navy Federal business checking account. And in order to get a Navy Federal business checking account, you must be a member of Navy Federal. And in order to be a member of Navy Federal, you have to either be a veteran, active duty military, or a family member or a spouse, or even a roommate of somebody who's in the military. So if you know somebody who's in the military, they may be able to get you in. Now, once you have the Navy Federal personal checking account, you can apply to open a Navy Federal business checking account online. It's okay if you're a sole proprietorship, as long as you have your EIN letter. You could get that from irs.gov for free, or a single member LLC. Something to know about opening the business checking account: you want to be very careful if you're in a high risk industry, anything to do with credit or credit repair. My single member LLC was denied a business checking account. I had mentioned that I do consulting or teaching on credit, and they blacklisted that LLC. So I went ahead and I applied for my sole proprietorship instead, and I was approved for the business checking account. You do not have to build any business credit in order to apply for this business credit card. I have not built any business credit for my sole proprietorship. It is strictly based on your personal FICO score. They pulled my TransUnion credit report. And as always, guys, it's best to have a 680 plus score, utilization below 30%, less than 3 inquiries on that bureau at the time of applying, and 2 years of credit history with 2 primary bank credit cards and 2 years of age. As you can see, the Go Biz Rewards card comes with prime rate as low as 5.90%. It is not 0%, unfortunately, but prime rate is still very good. Now, when you're applying, there's a few things to know. With any business credit card, it is better to open the business checking account and oftentimes wait 90 days. By waiting 90 days, you establish a relationship with the lender, and throughout this period, it does help if you're able to make deposits. You see, banks actually have something called a bank rating, and they rate you based off $0 to $1,000 in the account, 1K to 10K, 10 to 20, and so on. It is best to have at least $1,000 or $5,000 in the checking account at the time of applying for the business credit card. The longer you keep that balance in the account for 90 days can increase the odds of approval and the limit that you'll get approved for. I was approved for a $15,000 credit limit on the card initially, but I had called the number on the back of the card to request a credit line increase before activating the card, and they increased me up to $25,000. Now, this credit card is no documentation up to $25,000. That means they're not going to ask you for tax returns, profit and loss, balance sheets, and all this paperwork. They're just going to do a hard inquiry on one of your 3 bureaus, oftentimes, and the income is stated, which means it will not be verified. Now, you can actually get cash off the Navy Federal business credit card without using some of the more common ways, such as Plastique or Emilio. You see, Navy Federal has a prepaid card that allows you to load the prepaid card from your Navy Federal business credit card up to $10,000, and you can actually pull cash out the ATM up to $600 per day and continue to load it through your Navy Federal business card in order to liquidate the cash and use it for whatever investment opportunities or business activities you choose. That wraps it up for this video, guys. As always, smash that like button if you found this valuable. Quick recap: in this video, we went over the Navy Federal Go Biz Rewards. In order to apply, you must have a business checking account and be a Navy Federal personal account member. It's better to wait 90 days and load up your account with at least $1,000 or more. In order to approve, odds of approval and the approval limits, you can actually liquidate this card via the Navy Federal prepaid card as well in order to use it for whatever investment opportunities you like. Revenue can be a projection, income can be stated, and is often not verified, and it is no documentation up to $25,000. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel for more videos on business credit, personal credit, and leveraging credit to build wealth. This is Colin Matthew, and I'll see you guys on the next one.